If you sit quietly, close your eyes, and see yourself in the place you want to be, physically, emotionally. say, "I don't know where I'm going." You are writing that into your script. Instead, use your imagination deliberately. Picture yourself having already found the clarity you crave. Imagine conversations with friends where you tell them about the exciting turn your life took. See their smiles, hear their words of support, feel the satisfaction in your chest. This is how you change the movie before it appears on the screen. In Neville's view, you stop feeling lost not by finding the right path, but by creating it. You are not a passenger on life's train, waiting to see where it goes. You are the conductor. The sense of being lost is simply the moment when you realize you haven't been steering. Once you take the wheel by deciding what you want, imagining it as real, and feeling it now, the fog begins to lift. People, opportunities, and ideas start appearing in ways that feel like coincidence, but they are actually the natural outworking of your new inner state. And here's the most important part: you don't have to figure out every step in advance. Neville taught that once you assume the state of the wish fulfilled, life arranges the details for you. Your only job is to maintain the inner conviction. If you hold on to that state, even when the outer world looks the same, the lost feeling dissolves. It's replaced by a quiet confidence, the sense that you are exactly where you need to be, even if you can't see the full picture yet. And that's when your outer reality starts to align in ways that surprise you.